how to see your card number on Wells Fargo application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can see card number on Wells Fargo application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Wells Fargo application and then log in into your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to bottom right, tap on the menu option. So under menu, you have to tap on the third option, that is statement and documents. Now under statement and documents, again tap on the first option, that is statements and documents. Again tap on the first option, statement and documents, disclosures. So once you land on this section under your statements and disclosure, tap on credit card number. After that, under your statements, you have to select one of the statements from there. Now you will have your statement number at the top. Now from there, you could copy your card number. That's it. That's how you can find card number on Wells Fargo application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.